Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to send multiple photos in WhatsApp on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to open the chat where you want to send multiple photos. So let me open this chat. I want to send multiple photos in this. And after that, just tap on this plus button. Let me tap on this. And then tap on this photo and video library. And I have this screen opened. So first time you can select only one photo. So let me select this one. You can see I have this photo. Now again you have to tap on this plus button. And now you can select multiple photos. So let me select this. Let me tap on this. Let me select this also. You can see guys, I'm able to select multiple photos. And after you're done selecting, multiple photos that you want to send, just tap on this done, this link at the top right. Let me tap on this. You can see I have all these photos added. And if you want to add a caption, you can add that. I don't want to add a caption. So in order to send multiple photos, you have to tap on this send this button. Let me tap on this. It's sending, and you can see guys it's now sent. So that's it. In this way you can easily send multiple photos in WhatsApp on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.